folks, I have a Scout to show you. This is number 896. The back and sides are Dogwood, and that's from the tree at Lizanne's house in the sorry, I can't talk today. The Dogwood tree from the Carpenter Ant Stash at Lizanne's house in Portland. And Dogwood makes a great wood for little instruments like this. Really cool color and weird curl, and it's just really nice. It's got a redwood top. I believe this is just a scrap from cutting another top out of a redwood board. It's got walnut up here for the binding, the fretboard, headplate, and bridge. And then a salvage for a neck. It's got a lot of weirdness in it. It's got some flaws that come from its salvaged nature, but that's okay. And this one's got a pickup in it. Geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings, bone nut and saddle, and these little Scouts are just made from scraps and offcuts. It's got a long sustain, but it's got like a dry punch to it that I really like. I get that from Redwood a lot. Yeah, it's great. So that is number 896. Cheers.